Okay, so I'm going to bleach the front hair pieces here because they're not very blonde. So this is the blonde hair dye that I just received in the mail, aka Nordic Blonde from Schwarzkopf. L1++. There you go. Comes with an instruction book, pair of gloves, the applicator bottle, the blonde booster, the lightening cream, and the color after treatment. So I'm just basically going to cut that open, pour it into there, then squeeze that into there and shake that up and put that lid on, and we'll use that afterwards. Then once that's full, I'll squeeze it along the front hairlines of these 4 pieces, which I've wet and brushed on my knee like that. It's purple and it's ready to be squeezed out. I've already done this one. All the way along, make sure you get that front area. Go in a bit deeper just in case you need to cut bits way at the back. So it's currently 5:55 AM, as you can see from the colour of the sky. Okay, so it's been developing for an hour. Looks like I haven't destroyed it. Even from this side you can sort of see that that's lighter there on that side. You can see that the front edge is blonder. I can from this angle. So now I'll do these other 3. Now that I've rinsed all this stuff out of them, I am going to add this stuff. Bit confusing that it's the same colour. It smells like bananas or pisang ambon, which was a delicious liqueur we used to have in Belgium. The excess of each one and not this one. So because the blonde is the front hairline, this is the area I will be putting gluing on first, and I'll need the best visibility back here, so I'll be gluing this to the back of my bald patch shave zone.